Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Durable World. Kahit kaayo ang carameles. Caramel macchiato. You have to put milk first. And then, coffee ko blanca. Espresso, I'm just joking. Add more caramel on top. Here we go, here we go, here we go. This is what we call caramel latte.
Uy, caramel latte mo mo?
Hindi ay order.
Ako kung luto kung saan mo order.
Serve na lang ito.
Nagtagin na lang yan.
Oh.